pulled over to watch a couple of magpies and then carried on driving. But I had this feeling, a quiet nudge. The whisper later came again saying, "Slow down." And so I did. There, in front of me, squirrels scurrying up, quick, bright-eyed and alert. Another magpie flew from the road, leaving finally 2 pheasants. Not hurrying, just walking slowly with presence. They moved with purpose, almost blocking the path. So I stopped and I waited. And in that stillness, proudly, a baby pheasant appeared, tiny, hidden, delicate, but moving with courage right through the space we had all made. I said thank you. They seemed so proud that their baby ran across the road, but they stood there guarding its safety journey. That was a message, to pause and trust the space between moments. So I stopped my car again, halfway to work, to take a wander in the woods and take that pause. Not all blessings shout, some come quietly and they matter most. I carried the moment in my heart as I wandered the woods, softened by what I had witnessed earlier in my car. Such a beautiful journey. All the beauty walking through. What I had not had anticipated was when I returned to my car. There it was, a single pheasant feather resting on the earth beside me, waiting like a thank you, like a knowing. The wild speaks when we slow down. Wait, and the sacred will find you.